Hello friends, welcome to another episode. Today we are with Rider Ropi. Welcome. We are with Vishal, which is Advertiser Ropi. Welcome. Rohan, we need a name for you.
I what was I
have one. Brother Ropi.
Brother Ropi.
Old
Done.
brotherhood. Decade-old
Old brother Ropi.
Sonali, we need a name for you.
Name for me?
Yeah, it has to end with
Her surname.
Thakkar.
Okay, Thakkar Ropi, welcome to the episode. Friends, today we are looking at the funniest tweets Indians have made. Some of us might be featured on this, but maybe I've deleted those because we are not that funny. When the printer ink runs out halfway. This is a fashion designers do this, right? Like, oops, galti se cut gaya. Design. This is the design. When you fake laugh twice already and they're still talking.
Oh,
No comments.
no comments. Let's just move forward on to the next.
Texted get well soon to a guy who's in coma and happy birthday to my crush. Have you ever sent the wrong text to someone?
Have I ever said the wrong?
Multiple times.
Multiple times.
Okay, so I once texted one of my ex-girlfriends instead of texting my best friend saying I'm going to break up this Monday.
You mean you texted one of your girlfriends at the time and then it became your ex-girlfriend as a result of?
I like how you scheduled it. Like on Monday, I'm going to do it.
Like a YouTube premiere.
The worst she can say is no. The worst she can say is you.
Oh,
Her. Screenshot.
Her.
I don't understand this.
She
she's
circulated.
saying it, huh? She
Oh,
circulated
the
it.
worst thing she can do is screenshot.
Yeah.
Oh.
This reminds me of that story that Jose had told on Kanmasti.
Yeah. Please tell the story.
So there's basically that this guy who called him and said that like it was a love advice type show, and this guy basically called and said that I have this like girl who I have a crush on, लेकिन मैंने उस पे फोन के देखा तो मेरा नाम है saved as चूतिया number 3.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
चूतिया number 3.
Chutiya one, Chutiya
You
two.
got 2.
And this guy's biggest concern wasn't कि मेरे को चूतिया बुलाया. He was like number 1, 2 कौन है? मैं तीसरा कैसे हूँ line में? Bro, white parents be like, all right, you've been bad. So as punishment, go to your room and enjoy privacy.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's this go to your room shit is bullshit. ये Russell Peters का भी joke है कि ये like what is this go to your room?
Yeah.
And Russell Peters was like you have a room?
अपने आप पे different है. Our parents are like, you've been bad. Okay, now come for this relative function for the next
Immediately.
days.
All the relative functions.
You know, this was like when I would watch like these TV shows, You're Grounded was like the first time I'd heard this term. Like, you know, all your facilities are cut. Like, you can't use your phone, you can't use TV. And, like, you can't do all these things on your own anyway without being grounded. Like, in India.
Like this implies existence of facilities previously.
Yeah.
Been cut off.
Like Indian parents are like, you're grounded. What does that mean? कुछ नहीं, सब सेम है. कोई लोग नहीं है.
Same ही है लेकिन आज डिनर खाते वक्त तुम्हें ऐसे देखेंगे.
Internet in my room. That's true.
The best network is in the
100%
bathroom.
Oh, my bathroom has worst network.
ये क्योंकि तूने ठीक से प्लानिंग नहीं किया.
तो विशाल तू बोला तू हकते टाइम हकता है?
मैं नहीं
तू ईथरनेट पे हकता है?
मैं आगने से 10 मिनट पहले डाउनलोड करता हूँ पॉडकास्ट Spotify.
No. ये ऑफलाइन हगना अच्छा नहीं है यार.
विशाल on day 1 saying oh shit bathroom में वाईफाई नहीं आता है. विशाल on day 2 just dragging the commode to the hall. Just किधर? हम आपके Hackon is so epic. There's an emoji dedicated to it.
This is true.
Oh my god, yeah.
Holy shit.
I never thought of that.
You know, I never thought that this emoji was diktana.
I want to pay tribute to this era of Bollywood before stylists. Where it's like, हाँ मैडम कल सेट पे एक black t-shirt और एक black jeans पहन
Yeah.
के.
देखो फर्स्ट में ब्लैक पहनना, फिर ना मोनिश बेल मरने वाला है, फिर हम व्हाइट करेंगे उसके बाद, ठीक है?
हाँ फिर switch करेंगे.
Why didn't you tell me you were married with 4 kids? I'm shy. When Sebi caught Harshad Mehta, he was like, ये सब कर रहे थे. कैसे कर रहे थे? He's like, बस यार बताने का मन नहीं कर रहा था.
Shy, yeah. I'm an introvert basically.
Indian mom when the kids asking, बच्चे कैसे होते हैं मम्मी?
दूर कहीं आसमानों पर होते हैं
Can't believe we give up hunting and gathering to pay rent.
No, it's okay. I'll pay rent. I don't need to find myself like elbow deep in goat guts to eat. It's fine.
Salman is like, what?
What if he shows his friends a picture of me and they go, as long as you're happy, bro?
That's the worst. Oh man.
Really gotta teach my parents how to use emojis. Your uncle Mark died. At least it's not the diktana. If you pronounce Hinge and Bumble differently, they sound like Maharashtrian surnames. Hinge Bumble. अरे हिंगे साहेब काय करतात तुम्ही का मॅच द्या
काय
मला?
नाही रे, match.
हा बघा ना बुमले साहेब अरे तो मॅच दाखव याला.
Take a Uber and go.
Are you okay? No, I got my sleeve wet washing the dishes. It's the worst. Actually, you know, या फिर completely dry रहो या फिर पूरा wet. एकदम dry वाले feeling में थोड़ा सा ऐसा चिपचिपाहट मेरे को एकदम yuck लगता है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Choose a lane, guys.
Completely wet क्या बर्तन धोते सिंक में नहा लो.
I'm like,
या नहाते दो. But who is
या
very
नहाते रहो. विशाल is correct. नहाते रहो. देखो विशाल जब बाथरूम में वाईफाई नहीं होता ना तो यही होता है.
hate restaurants that make you say shit like, yeah, can I have the big wet daddy burger, please? Thanks.
There's an ice cream brand in South Bombay. I don't know if it still exists or not, but every time I see it, I can't take it seriously. It's called Bharat Bhai Softie. Okay. मेरे से नहीं होता भाई, मैं कैसे फोन करके भरत भाई की सॉफ्टी मंगाओ यार. क्यों मंगाओ मैं भरत भाई की सॉफ्टी?
I can imagine people walking up to भरत भाई ऐसे गाल खींच के भरत भाई सॉफ्टी.
आज आपके बड़े भाई हार्डी नहीं आए.
Actually, that would be cool, no? If Bharat Bhai's surname is Sandhu. Softy Sandhu and Hardy Sandhu.
Hardy Sandhu, that's a great.
5 stages of man's life. Birth, बेटा धनिया ले आओ. सुनिए धनिया ले आइए. पापा धनिया ले आओ. Death.
Like it's true. Like we don't like Dhania has a disproportionate hold over the Indian life. Like, we have to admit that this is a fact.
धनिया का कोई स्टार्टअप बनाओ यार जो एक्सक्लूसिवली धनिया प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे.
It's called Farm. And it exists. Yes, we exist.
It's called Farm. FRM. Okay.
FRM. Farm.FRM. Find us.
Minimalism has gone too far. If I get pregnant now, it's still teenage pregnancy to me.
It's true.
Imagine this girl's anxiety. She tweeted this at 6 a.m.
Like this pic, comment में साथ लिखे. Comment में साथ लिखे लड़की खड़ी हो जाएगी. It has 450,000 comments, guys. It has 500,000 comments.
That's it. We've been doing content all wrong, dude.
Yeah.
We've been...
Guys, इस वीडियो पे लाइक ठोके मैं पतला हो जाऊंगा. ट्राई करो.
चल झूठा.
Third wheeling or really toxic couple is so hard. Anyway, I'm out with my parents. Twitter and Tinder should exchange their logos. Tinder पे सिर्फ हवा में बातें होती है और Twitter पे हमेशा आग लगी होती है. Tinder पे सिर्फ हवा में बातें होती है. It's so funny. If Monolith appears in India, Pankaj love Kajal for spitting.
This can serve as a wicket.
हाँ, यहाँ 4 लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं.
यहाँ
100%.
4 लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे होते हैं. ये
100%.
बन जाता है यहाँ पे.
And there'd be rules also. देख बॉल काजल के ऊपर रखा तो नॉट आउट. हाँ.
और यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्टिकर ऐसा पाइल्स के लिए मैसेज कीजिए बाबा बंगाली को. वीगन श्रिम्प.
मुझे लग रहा है नॉन वेजिटेरियन लोग श्रिम्प को संतरा समझ के खा रहे हैं.
आज तो थोड़ा खट्टा था ना. या
एक्चुअली सीजन नहीं है ना ऐसा.
इंडियन पायरेट्स बी लाइक हाय कैप्टन.
हाय कैप्टन.
कैप्टन.
और क्या होएगा. बोथ हार्ड मेटी.
इंडियन शिप्स में मेडे नहीं होता.
If Ajay Devgan was a bird.
अभी वो बर्ड सामने देख के
took Star Plus 6 years to answer a simple question. किस देश में है मेरा दिल? परदेश में है मेरा दिल. Oh wow! Oh wow! Am I the only one who's impressed? I think that's cool.
No, I think it's very impressive.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
I think और आइडिया भी ऐसे आया कि guys हमें एक शो करना चाहिए सेइंग परदेश में है मेरा दिल. इसके बारे में एक शो बनाते जाके लिख के आओ.
जो बंदे ने सीरियल लिखा है उसने वो गाना भी लिखा है, कहो ना प्यार है कहा ना प्यार है.
How I avoid meeting relatives at family functions.
It's like everyone saw that, right?
Yeah.
Everyone.
He just went like what? Love bites छुपाने का ninja technique. Okay. First of all, अनुष्का शर्मा को छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं है. I think उसके पेरेंट्स को पता है कि उसकी विराट कोहली के साथ शादी हो गई है. ठीक है.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
Maybe
Like-
they know.
First you choke her, then she was a choker.
Oh.
Oh, Sonali. Epic. Too good.
That was
Thank you,
Sonali
guys.
with the
Thank you,
sports.
guys.
When Taylor doesn't deliver lehenga on time. Channa मेरा sad version. Channa मेरा already sad version है मैच.
Exactly.
इसका sad version क्या बना रहे तुम? This meme is so funny. Channa मेरा sad version. Same guy wrote lyrics for Ishq Wala Love. Scrambled eggs contains
Eggs contain egg.
Dual action. Summer in other countries. Finally, it's summer. We can play and get tanned. Summer in India. चुपती जलती गर्मी. चुपती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया. I don't know why. ये गाना imprinted है मेरे दिमाग में. हार्पिक एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी. गंदे टॉयलेट में जूम इन करो. येलो स्टेन्स दिखने चाहिए. Let's run it at 8:30 PM जब लोग डिनर खा रहे हो. Hiding from serial killer. Me. Oh my God. I'm gonna die if he finds me. Killer. Nima Rose. You know what they're gonna say?
Of course.
Rose, Nima Rose. His photo is very funny. There's a bunch of these, right? Like,
Yeah,
there's
so many of them.
Do me a favor, let's play hole. What else? We should find a unique one.
खुजली करने वाले.
Oh.
No.
B-Tex लगा ले. Oh.
Desi parents have unreal expectations. Zeb, if you're sleeping, text me, please. Pros to being brown. Your hair grows back really fast. Cons to being brown. Your hair grows back really fast. Is that true? Brown people, our hair goes really quickly? Nishan bhai, not asking you.
अरे नहीं, सिर्फ सर की बात नहीं हो रही है.
Alright friends, that's it for this episode. I hope you all enjoyed. Please follow whole panel onto Instagram. Bye guys. Chat.
Bye.
See you.